Hi, and welcome to Nodel. Nodel is an AI-powered collaboration platform that automates your business reporting, so your team can stop writing reports and get back to building. Nodel is designed to be simple. Tell it what you want, and it builds it for you. But under the hood, there's a powerful, flexible node-based flow interface, and in this video, we're going to show you how it works. I need to automate my quarterly report to my boss. I pull information from Google Sheets, Jira from my backlog, and I want to include customer sentiment on our latest features from our forum. I can quickly add nodes that grab this information in real time and use the property editor to tweak them to pull just what I need. Once that's done, I use a merge node to bring all this data together for analysis and summarizing. In Nodel, we think in stages: gather data, analyze, prepare report. And I can group nodes into a stage using a group box. Now that we've got the information, we can use Nodel assistant nodes to do the fun stuff. The assistant node is the Swiss Army knife of Nodel. It can process, analyze, summarize, or expand anything we've gathered, all using natural language prompts. Let's mark these as a stage with another group box. Great, we've got our basics set up. This flow gathers information, summarizes it, produces a report, and publishes it for our stakeholders and other teams. Looking at the output box in the bottom right, each node produces one piece of information, and the merge node brings them together. Think of it as a dedicated workspace containing only the information you give it. The assistant nodes work from this workspace to produce their analysis, and nothing else. None of your other data is ever exposed. But I'm not working on this alone. I'm going to share this with Arti so she can add some financial information. I share the document, it appears in her list, and she jumps straight in. Let's swap to Arti's screen. We're working at the same time, so I can see her changes live as she makes them. Hi, Arti. This is what real-time collaboration looks like. No more waiting for updates, emailing documents, or sharing links in Slack. While Arti adds her nodes, I can keep tweaking the data and assistant nodes for my section. All our changes are safely tracked, so there's no chance of stepping on each other's toes. Okay, I think that looks great. Thanks, Arti. Now let's give this a sensible name, description, and thumbnail using Assistant everywhere. Wherever we see the little robot button, we click and the Assistant takes care of it. We describe the thumbnail we want, and there it is. Now it's time for Nodel to do its thing. We ask it to produce our report, and it gets to work, fetching from Sheets and Jira, scraping sentiment from the web, running the analysis, generating the text. Here's the power of Nodel. Now that we've built this, we never need to do it again. It takes seconds to regenerate whenever it's needed. And done. Let's look at the result. A fully formed, comprehensive set of reports, generated live from the latest data.